13-14 Flawless Basketball Random Players number 51. We'll have no more delays prior to this break. We are in it. Oh man, I wish I could turn the camera right now down the hall. We got some serious action going on down there. You guys see all the way down there. Oh yeah. Getting it. With some good luck right there for the break, man, I'll tell you. That's some good luck. Oh. Good luck. All right, inner box. Good luck. First up, a patch. Andre Drummond, 11 of 25. Wow, sick card coming next. Andre Drummond goes to Cards Attack, Felix. That, man, look at that clarity. Look at that picture on the interwebs, man. We are broadcasting sick status. Rolling fresh, brand new interwebs over here, guys. So hot. This next one is disgusting. 6 of 25. Allen Iverson. Jumbo patch. Check it out. AI Cards Attack as well. Gets both patch cards. Holy smokes. Sick. Next up, a really gnarly looking card too. Double patch, 17 out of 25, Glenn Rice. Great auto. There you go. Nick Fadeaway Barber getting it. Nice hit there. Those dual patch autos. Great card design. With the flat top on Rice. (20 of 20), the last one ever. Marcin Gortat. Gortat. Sports Nutso. Alrighty, there we go. Gortat. A little bubbling on the ink you can see on that one. If I hold it up close enough, you can see it yourself, eh? Grats Nutso. It looks like a shoe, but I guess it's a jersey. A weird piece of the jersey. Patch autograph, Dennis Rodman, 8 out of 25. Hall of Fame class of 2011. The Worm. EMAC 19, congrats. Kevin Love, 4 out of 5, Emerald. Nice. Kevin Love. Chris with a K, 6278. Okay, Love. And the Mailman, Karl Malone, 10 out of 15. Franchise greats. Karl Malone. Karl Malone goes to S. Murphy, 25. Very nice inner box. Good names. Alright, first bedazzled and bejeweled and bedazzled. We got Rondo, 5 out of 20. Rajon Rondo. There you go, Rye Eagles. Missed his guy, got the hit. Rye Eagles on board. Second, bedazzled and bejeweled. Numbered out of 15, Russell Westbrook. Pretty nice. Ruby. A Russell Ruby. Card sack. Now, I don't know if that's card as attack. I'm just going to write card sack. I think card's attack. Skipped a couple letters. I'm not going to assume, but it's card, not card's attack. Card sack. I'm not sure. It's card sack. We skipped card's attack there. And the final hit is a gold Kobe. Team Panini Gold. 5 out of 10. Kobe Bryant. To Perry wanted, he knew. D-Dow 2667. Kobe. Yes, man. Team Panini. Alright. Having trouble keeping it focused. There we go. I'm not going to move anymore from there. You did try. Congratulations, David. D-Dow 2667. That's it for the break, guys. There is one more briefcase to do. About 20 spots to go before that one's full. Thanks again, everybody, for joining and watching. Until next time. Peace.